All right, so go ahead, you get your math out and we will start on our facts page. All right, Asa, first fact, you can begin.
4 minus 3 equals 1.
Yep, 4 minus 3 equals 1. Next one. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Next one. Waiting.
10 minus 5 equals 5.
10 minus 5 equals 5.
3 minus 0 equals 3.
3 minus 0 equals 3. I can't hear you at all. That's a doubles fact, so that's half and half.
So
8 minus 4. So, guys, that's a doubles fact. So, that's split in half. So, 8 minus 4 will be what? 4. That's a doubles fact. 8 minus 4 is 4. All right, David, next row. 7 minus what?
7 minus 6 equals 1.
7 minus 6 equals 1. 6 minus 3 equals 3. That's another doubles.
10 minus 2 equals 8.
10 minus, no, Asa, that's yours. 10 minus 2.
10 minus 2 equals 8.
Yes, 10 minus 2 equals 8. Next one.
12 minus 6 equals
That's another doubles.
12. Whoa!
There's no way possible. 12 minus 6 can be 12.
12 minus 6 equals 6.
12 minus 6 equals 6.
8 minus
paper.
10 minus 8 equals 2.
10 minus 8 equals 2.
3 minus 2 equals 1.
3 minus 2 equals 1. David?
It's Braylon.
Oh, Brayley, sorry.
Was that one first? No.
What's your fact?
No.
10 minus what? 6 minus 4?
Keep thinking.
Okay,
Wait.
6 minus 4. All
Wait.
right, turn around and get on this. Turn around, fix anything again. No, turn all the way around.
And you're now looking at mine.
I don't even
Because
understand.
I know you're trying to be sneaky. I'm not going to look at your stuff.
Oh, 1. If you have minutes, we want to make sure you store it.
Only do. Only do. What? Yeah, always store it equals 2.
6 minus 4 equals 2. Cairo?
Yeah.
Oh, David, sorry.
What's the minus?
Okay, no more paper. No more paper, just scratch it out and start over.
Did
Not
7
any way you're making.
Yeah. 10 minus 9 equals 1.
10 minus 9 equals 1. All right, Asa, 4 minus 2.
4 minus 2 equals 2.
Thank you. Next one.
16 minus 8 equals 8.
16 minus 8 equals 8.
8 minus 7 equals 1.
8 minus 7 equals 1.
5 minus 3 equals 5. 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3.
5 minus 3 equals 2.
5 minus 3 equals 2.
Tiny bird. 5 minus 5 equals 0.
5 minus 5 equals 0.
Okay. Done.
All right, good. All right, go to your next page. Your math. The pennies. Yeah,
So
pennies. All right, so if you remember, guys, we had some blocks of pennies a while back whenever we had counted them in groups of 10. Do y'all remember that? And then we had the extras. So now if you look at it, the box is a lot bigger this time. And these are a total of 100 pennies. So now you will start to see the 100 block inside of your book as well. So you'll have the 100 block, you'll have the 10 block, and then you'll have the extras, okay? Because now they will combine all of them together. So the big square is your hundreds. The square that we had cut out a while back are the tens, and then we know the ones by themselves are the ones.
Okay, that's
The ones block, okay? So when we have the big hundreds block, what number will we count by? Obviously, the hundreds, okay? So we're not cutting it out. I just wanted you to just look at it. But you have 2 pages of the hundreds blocks. How many hundreds would that be? Let's see. We just said we count by hundreds. 4 blocks would be how many?
400.
It would be 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. So we'll practice a couple of those where we're not cutting it out. We don't need to. But that's what I wanted you to look at that so you could see exactly what that was. So, for example, if I have 1, 2, 3. How many would this be? These are my hundreds blocks. How many would that be total?
300.
It would be 300.
Okay, that's I understand this.
No, the title is separate. Your title is at the top. Your first sentence doesn't have to have the missing bag in it. You have to create your first sentence.
Wait, missing page. That thing.
Oh, no, that's just the instructions. You don't have to write this. Y'all didn't have to write this. Did y'all write this? No, y'all didn't have to write this. That was just the instructions. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Yes, babe.
I knew. Wait, you have to put really good here. Okay, this is easy. Don't
Period. So after she calls you and tell you that, then what? Okay. You're a detective, so what would you do if you?
I told her that I would be there.
You where? Then put that. I told her I would meet her at her house so we could discuss this and that. Okay, let's look at this one. How many? Then your next sentence starts after that. Okay, Carol. 500, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500.
I do that.
Okay? So that's how we count the 100 blocks. So just in case you see it in your book, I don't want you to say, oh, I don't know. That's what that is. Those are you count by 100s. All right, you can put your math book away. We have a couple other things to cover on the board, and then we'll be finished with math.
Oh, yes.
All right, so let's look at my counting by tens with 6. I have 6, 16. Just tell me, where are we going after that?
26, 36, 46, 56, 76, 66, 76, 8.
All right, let's count by tens with 9. Let me hear you. 9.
29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99.
Okay, what about with 3?
3, 17, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93.
All right, good. All right, let's count. We have these dimes and nickels. Give a second, count them. What did you say? Police. All right, on the board.
Focus on the ball. Why don't you from that? Focus on the ball. It's easy.
Focus what? Check.
It's close to 100. And then
It's close for that, but CHBCK.
so close. Like this one.
All right, let's see. Okay, Brayley, what you have? Was he hand up or no? No, okay. What you got?
90.
Let's see if he's right. He said 90, so let's count it. 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
70,
80,
75, 80, 85,
90.
96. He's right. All right, quarters. Remember, when we count by quarters, we say 25, 50, 75, $1. Count it. 25, 50, 75, $1.
Ooh. I'm doing it. Why didn't you beg him? Because I knew it was so good. You know, you gotta be patient. No, it is. Okay, you gotta be patient.
It makes sense.
I know it. I'm gonna tear this outside. No, I said, you said one that was up around 57, 50, 1,057.
All right.
I think it's 50.
Okay, how much you got?
$2.
All right, he says $2. Let's count it and see if he's right. So 25, 50, 75, $1. $1.
no,
5,
50,
50, $1, 75, $2. Good. All right, so just remember, when you have quarters, the pattern resets itself. It starts over. All right, so we're going to learn what's called probability, which is figuring out the certain, let's see, how likely it is for something, okay? So if you look at it here, I have a bag of marbles, and inside of my bag, I have purple and blue marbles, okay? So we're going to try to figure out the probability or the what possible could happen. So when I say, if I put my hand in my bag without looking, what color would I be certain to get? What certain means is that I am sure I will get this color because of it being inside of the bag. So if I put my hand without looking, what color marbles would I pull out? Would I be certain to pull out of my bag? Brayley? Purple and blue, but we're going to say purple because there's more purple. So I am certain I will get a purple, meaning I am 100% sure if I put my hand in the bag, I am going to get a purple. That's certain. Why? Because there's more purple in there. Most of the marbles are purple, so I'm certain that I'll get a purple. Next, we have likely. Likely means that I may get this or I may not get this. What color could I, if I put my hand in my bag, without looking, I am likely to get which colors? Blue or purple. Why? Because I have both of those colors in here. So I'm likely to get a blue or a purple. Likely means I may or I may not. Okay? If I put my hand in my bag, what color would it be impossible to get? Completely impossible to get. Asa?
blue.
There's a blue in there. Impossible means it can't happen at all.
Can't
What color would be completely impossible? Meaning I could pull a blue. That's what we just said. Likely we could pull a blue or purple because there's blue in there. Well, what color would be impossible for me to pull?
Orange.
Orange, right? Why? They don't have any orange. So impossible means there is no way of, there's no chance for me to get that because it's not even in there. So it will be impossible for me to get an orange, to get a red, to get a green, to get a yellow, any of those colors. Why? Because those colors are not in the bag. So if I put my hand in, I am certain to get a purple because there are purple in there. If I put my hand in the bag, I am likely to get either blue or purple because, did I say to go put that up? 1 second. I'm likely to get a blue or purple because I have those colors in there. It is impossible. It can't happen for me to pull an orange because there's no orange in there. Okay? All right, go ahead and get out your math. Not math. Writing, your letters book. Writing. Yeah, I ran out. Spell the best way you can.
What page?
That's what I'm looking at now. They don't. That's something I have to buy. Page 93. And you can go ahead and get started. Your letters book, page 93. Michael bathroom. No, 92, guys. We didn't do 92. 92, page 9. No, sorry. 93 is right. 93 is right. My bad. Page 93. All right. All right, so this week in writing, this week and next week, we will do our last 2 weeks of sentence writing. The first week in April, we will start practicing how to start writing short stories. So you'll be moving on to stories next. So we'll practice just all of the rules that we learned over the course of the school year for this week and next week. This week and next week, we'll practice a lot of the rules. And then in April, we'll start writing stories, okay? So I have 3 sentences here. I'm just going to read them. I want you to write what needs to be capitalized because you should remember, right? So number 1, it says Dana went to Florida in July. Couple of proper nouns in there. Number 2, Mr. Ben, oh, look at that, is my coach. And then number 3, on Friday, Mom and I are getting ice cream. On Friday, Mom and I are getting ice cream. So these are your 3 sentences. You have to be able to tell me what needs to be capitalized. All 3 of them have a few things to do in there. So make sure you take your time so that you can get it all done, okay? All right, you can begin. Remember everything that needs to be capitalized. Number 1, Dana went to Florida in July. Brayley, how do I start it off? Capitalize first letter D, all right? What else? Capitalize the F in Florida. That's a state, proper noun. J in July, finish with the, good. Number 2, Mr. Ben is my coach. Asa, how do I write this one correctly?
You capitalize the M.
Capitalize M and Mr.
You capitalize the B and Ben.
B and Ben.
You put a period and you put a period.
Good. Make sure, guys, with that title of respect, we put a dot between them. Okay? And then how do we finish it, Asa?
With another period.
Period at the end. Number 3, on Friday, Mom and I are getting ice cream. Cairo, how would I write this correct? Capitalize first letter O. We skip one thing before that. Capitalize F in Friday. Then capitalize the I. And then how do I finish it? Good. So that was a lot to cover in there. Yeah. All right, good. All right, so that's it for our morning portion. Yeah, that's it for our morning Zoom. I will see you this afternoon, Asa, okay? Bye-bye.